We tend to think that working hard creates success, and before I thought that working hard plus working smart, these two things together create a successful life. But now I realize that above all of these, you need to first of all work on the right things. And this is my biggest fucking problem right now. I'm doing a lot of work, but I'm not working on the right things. And so that's why it all becomes like busy work. Yes, it feels like my schedule is so full every day. These are all like urgent tasks that needs to be done, but they're also not significant enough for me to like have to value them, yet they still need to be checked off of the list anyways. And somehow this is just such a huge problem in college. I've been trying so hard to eliminate distractions and eliminate things that I don't think I need, yet there's just more, I guess, like urgent things coming up, and it all has to be done in a timely manner. There are consequences if I don't do them, but even then, like, I'm not committed to a lot of things. I'm just committed to, I think, two things that I can name off of the top of my head in college. It doesn't feel like a lot, yet the workload just starts to become like a compounding, it has that compounding effect. And especially the fact that small things break my days apart, and it really like doesn't allow me to time block my schedule into hours where I can focus. And that's why, like, for the past few weeks, I've been so fucking distracted. Like, I'm genuinely so mad at myself, and I don't think I could have done a worse job at this. But I am just like, I'm fucking struggling so much with this. I literally do not understand how I can eliminate distractions unless I don't go to school. Because during the summer, although I was struggling a lot with what I was working on, like, I felt like there was a lot of, I guess, career and professional struggles. At least I was fucking focused. I was like zoned in and just working on one thing and being able to prioritize it. But now that I'm trying to prioritize different things, it's impossible to just work on content for as much as I want to, like, or even have as much as I want to. And I don't see the situation getting better, because you're only going to have more responsibilities and tasks as you get older. But I guess I need to ride the wave even more when I get that summer, when I get that few months where I can be fully focused and concentrated, because the situation won't really change at school. So unless I come up with a good framework to really eliminate and say, I guess, like, reject all unnecessary things and live on my own terms, which is not exactly the situation right now, it's gonna continue to persist this way. And I think this is not just my problem, but it's a common problem for most college students. And although we try so hard to, I guess, like, prioritize and say no and everything else you can think of, it's simply impossible. And there's all these problems that I don't have a solution for, and I'm just starting to yap and complain about it. I guess partially because I'm so fucking mad at myself about the fact that I just can't get an edited video out, and was also dealing with a few other things, so I wasn't able to post any unfiltered videos. And now every single day when I don't post something I'm significantly proud of, or something that I think is really valuable, it feels like I haven't posted in a century. And it's honestly not a bad thing that I have guilt creeping in, because this is a sign that, like, at least my intentions are there, and at least, like, I'm working, or I'm conscious of my intentions. But, like, really the actions gotta follow, and right now it's obviously not fucking following. So fuck me for that. But okay, I don't even know. There's no point to this video. Like, genuinely, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry that you might not be getting any value out of it. You might be getting this much value, 0. But sometimes when you get really desperate, you just start to do things to prove a point to yourself that you're just not entirely giving up and ditching something. And it feels like posting shorts like almost every day is just not really enough for the pace that I want to work at. And there's so many things that I want to do, that I want to launch, that I want to get started on, but like I just really gotta solve these like realistic circumstances and find a way to either like get them done faster or eliminate them entirely. And these won't be happening this semester, and I know that like we're already around 1/3 through the semester, but it's never too late to start adjusting your lifestyle and start doing whatever you can to get to a point where you're more satisfied with yourself. And so from now on, that's gonna be what I'm doing, obviously. But thank you for watching this useless video. I'll see you guys in the next one.